How good is your real estate English? In this video, I'll give you 4 common expressions and challenge you to see if you can get them right. Up for it? Let's go! Hey, it's Jenny from Real Estate English Academy, where real estate experts go to build confidence and fluency in their English communication. Ready to take the challenge and test your knowledge of English idioms? Let's not waste any time and jump right in. Expression 1. To jump the gun. What does to jump the gun mean? To act too soon or not at the right time. To put pressure on someone to meet a deadline. To use unfair negotiation techniques. What do you think? The correct answer is answer number 1. To jump the gun means that you are acting too soon and may not have thought the situation through all the way. Here are some examples. We jumped the gun and put the property up for sale too early. If we had waited, we might have gotten a higher price. I jumped the gun and confirmed a presentation with the client for next week. My boss told me we wouldn't be able to do it before next month. Expression 2. To go back to the drawing board. What does to go back to the drawing board mean? To put bullet points on a whiteboard. To get permission from the board of directors. To start planning something again because the first plan was not good enough or failed. The correct answer is answer 3. To go back to the drawing board means that the original plan that was presented was not good enough or failed. Here are some examples. The deal fell through, so we had to go back to the drawing board. I'm not happy with the design of the landscaping. Go back to the drawing board and create a new concept. Expression 3. To get someone up to speed. What does to get someone up to speed mean? To put pressure on someone to finish a task. To party all night. To update someone on the current situation. The correct answer is answer 3. To get someone up to speed means to give someone all the necessary information needed to fulfill a task. Let's have a look at some examples. Please come to my office before the meeting and I'll get you up to speed. Sorry for not getting you up to speed on the latest market data. Before we move on to the last idiom, give this video a like if you enjoyed the content. And please also subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for notifications. And if you'd like to see more challenge lessons like this one, put the word challenge in the comments below, and we'd be more than happy to create more challenges for you. Let's move on to expression 4. To learn the ropes. What does to learn the ropes mean? To learn the basics of something. To learn about the problems and negative aspects of a project. To get to know the people in your office. The correct answer is answer number 1. To learn the ropes means to learn the basics of a certain job, task, or activity. Let me give you a couple of examples. It took him a while to learn the ropes, but now he's confident in managing big client accounts. After learning the ropes, she sold more properties and earned higher commission. Click on either of these lessons if you'd like to take another challenge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.